Hey guys, just giving you an update on the pound CAD trade. So I was saying to you last week on my weekly analysis as well, I'll be looking to take the short. Now this one is on the demo here, which I had left over the weekend, and it is currently in about 113 pips if I had left it. But I didn't want to leave it over the weekend just in case anything happened. But I had a chance to basically take it on my live account. So what I did is I used the breakdown. So I went on the 4 hour, and then I was looking at the structure basically. So when I woke up, it was already like retraced back up to here. Then the 10 o'clock candle close happened there, and then basically I had marked this level of support there. As you can see on the 4 hour, price went up, then made lower high, so high highs, higher lows, then it broke that structure there. So if you look at the 1 hour as well, it is telling you that it's made a lower high. So basically I waited for the pullback a little bit on the 1 hour. Even if you look at the 15-minute chart, it was basically down in here, so I took it there. And basically I am around, I think, 80 pips in profit. So my target is up to here, and if you look at that, that's on my Fiverr account there. So I've taken it there, which is the same point, and I'm currently about 80 pips or 60 75 pips in profit. So I'll look to hold it down to here, 150 pips. I might take some profit off in here because on the 4 hour you can see that is a 200 moving average in there. But let's see how the trade goes as the New York session open. Hi guys, trade update on the pound CAD. So this is now the demo about 120 pips. It's coming to this 200 on the 4 hour, some support over there, as you can see, reversals there. So I'm just going to close it. I've closed it on my live account. I made about 80 odd pips on it, as you can see here, entry there and then exit there. I'm just going to close that. So 80 pips on a live account. Just close it on the demo as well. That's 120 pips on the demo because I left it over the weekend. But actually, I made about 80 odd pips on the live account.